That's one of the great things about Ritchie Brothers is that like it's good people all around.
Ciao.
你好.
Kia ora.
Hello.
Bonjour.
Hi.
안녕하세요.
Welcome to
Ritchie
Ritchie
Brothers.
Diversity for me is
A sense of uniqueness.
Empathy.
People with different ethnicities around the world.
different opinion.
We accept each other.
First is international.
If you have all the same type of people at a table together, you won't come up with any new or innovative ideas or progress.
I myself or someone similar minded to myself might not think of in order to offer a solution for a customer who's looking to sell a piece of equipment.
You can always learn from other people.
It would bring more ideas, more creativity, and more growth.
Customer base is becoming more diverse. They want to do business with a company that treats them as an equal.
It feels like the customer feels that they are more connected to the company.
It's amazing to see that how broad our team is, and we are all one.